Want to know if Pinterest is actually sending you traffic to your website? Well, I'm going to show you how in this video. So one of the things that happens with Pinterest, especially when I'm doing these audits for my clients, is we ask them, hey, are you actually getting traffic from Pinterest? And they're like, I don't know how to find that. And so if you don't know how to find that, this is a common problem. Because what we tend to do is we go to our Pinterest account, we click on analytics, we might click on like the website tab and go and see, okay, there's spikes and I don't know why it says 0, and you know, you're like, I don't know, these numbers seem good to me and there's the up arrow, so like things are good, right? So how do we know that Pinterest is actually sending traffic over here to your website? Well, you need to go into Google Analytics. So what we're going to do is go here to Google Analytics, and over on the left they have all of these different buttons, and what we want to look at is acquisition. Acquisition is how do you acquire people to come over to your site. So we can click on overview and acquisition, and we can kind of get like a broad overview of kind of what's going on, where traffic's coming from, you know, what percentage is from organic search, what's from social, etc., etc., but it still doesn't give us enough information. So what we need to do is go here to all traffic. So this is underneath overview, there's all traffic, and we can look at source medium and referrals. Those are the two places that we want to look to see how much traffic is coming from Pinterest. So we've got Google organic, Pinterest, you know, .com referral, and then all these other sites. Also with Pinterest and even Facebook and some of these other social platforms, there are the country referrals. So like from Pinterest in Canada, I'm getting 32 visitors. Like, it's not a lot, but there are people coming, and you can increase the way that this displays by this drop down here, or you can just pan through the results. So I've got all these different sites, weird stuff that is sending referral traffic. So here, Pinterest.uk, Pinterest social, etc., etc. So you can also look here at referrals to see what is also what is sending you traffic. So source medium includes stuff like Google and that kind of thing. Referrals is more like other websites that are linking to you, etc. So here I've got Pinterest.com, Pinterest.ca, so it's the same information, but there's a little bit different information in the source medium tab. I don't know why a dental conference would be referring people to me, because I don't think I have anything about dental, but okay. So that's how you can see how much traffic Pinterest is sending you. That's this number here. Now you might say, okay, this doesn't look like a lot. So if you're, you know, trying to talk to somebody about your site, usually we speak about things in terms of every 30 days. So the default on your Google Analytics account is probably set to a week. So you need to change that to every 30 days, and that's going to give you a number. So when you tell someone this number, I'm getting 10,000 referrals from Pinterest, you need to tell them the time period too, at every 30 days, every week, or whatever it is. So make sure that you've got that time period set. That you know, this number is arbitrary without the time period as a reference. Now I have another video that can show you how to find out what pins are sending traffic to specific posts on your blog, and I'm going to link to that down in the video description. Now, if you thought that this video was helpful, I would love it if you shared it with a friend. Either hit that share button, or if you're watching this on Facebook, tag them down in the comments so that they will see this, because sharing is caring and a rising tide raises all ships. Plus, it helps me get my content out to more people. And if you really liked what you saw here, hit that subscribe button so you'll get notified every time I publish a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.